Okay, so last time we spoke about class 10 blueprint of English question paper. Now we are here for discussion of class 12. So 11 and 12 basically they have the common blueprint for the questions. So let's start with this. As you have already faced board exam once in your life, so you know the drill how to face the paper. If you don't know, just check out my last video and you will come to know how to attempt with the paper. So I will be coming straight to the point. So you have got your question number 1 to 1 mark each. These are all your reading and comprehension. Okay. Moving on to question number 3, 4 and 5. So how are these questions bifurcated? These are bifurcated 1 mark each question. So it is going to be, this is going to be 12. Okay. This is going to be of 12 marks. So how is it working? You've got 2 extracts from the 2 books. Okay. Different, you will get options. Option A or option B in both the part. Okay. Try to mention everything. If you are attempting option number B, so write it down, option number B. Question number 3, option B. Then I told you how to write it. Then let's say you are attempting question number 3. So your question number 3. Then write down B and first. If you think the answer is, let's say, C, so write down C also, and then write down the answer. This will immensely help the invigilator or the evaluator, that it will be a very plus point to your thing, because you know that we have been given copies. A lot of copies are required to be checked. If the copy is very systematic, so you are on a positive note. You are definitely going to get 4 or 5 marks extra than what you deserve. Okay. So question number 3, 4, 5. Okay. Options मिलेंगे आपको कोई एक ऑप्शन उसमें से करना है. अब उसमें भी आपके MCQs होंगे. So again an MCQ question. अब कितना हो गया आपका MCQ का बजट? 20 और 12, 32 marks MCQ straight away. Okay. अब अगर आगे चलते हैं हम, then you got your question number 6 and 7. These are writing skill, writing composition, short writing skill composition, 40 to 50 words. Okay. उसमें क्या क्या आता है? I believe the first question would be of notice. Okay. Notice के और में you will be given either an advertisement. Okay. So notice or an advertisement. Okay. The second question would be of invitation. Now invitation you know are of 2 types. One is formal and one is informal. Again, invitations, reply is also being asked. So you are being invited to some place, you have to either accept or deny. So approval or denial, whatever is there, you have to mention. So, or you got invitation. Okay, one invitation would be for inviting, one is for either you are accepting or you are refusing. So a formal and informal invitation. So these are of again two of the questions which you have your options over there. So और में आपके questions आएंगे, you need to attempt only one. Okay, be very careful with the invitation part. Someday I will put on a video on invitation also, how to write an invitation. So moving on, question number 8 and 9. Long compositions, 2 long compositions. Okay, the first composition is should be of article writing. Okay, long composition, article writing you have. So either you're being given a clue, okay, or you've been given a picture. So on the basis of those 2 you will be writing an article. For class 10 they are giving data also, a pie chart or a histogram, and on the basis of that you have to write an article. Okay, so data analyzing maybe uska you can say this is a data analyzing question. So question number 8, question number 9. Question number 9 again. Now this is going to be long composition, 100 to 120 words. It contains debate. So you either have to write for the motion or against the motion, one part. और में आपको आएगा report writing. Okay, so 100 to 120 words. Fine. Moving on, question number then 10 and 11. So these are of short composition question. This will have again 2 part as we have in class 10. Okay, so question number 8, 2 marks each, short composition. You will given an option. Okay, choice मिलेगा आपको 4 या 6 में से कोई 4 कर दो. Okay, इधर question number 12 again the same drill. Then उसमें भी क्या होगा आपका question number 11 उसमें आपका 12 नंबर का होगा. So 4 into 3. Okay, this might change, but a change would not be very crucial at that time. This would be a very small change, minor change. Minor change means either they will reduce one question from here or one question from there. But definitely the question number 12 and 13 are going to be the same. These are 2 long answer type question, 100 to 120 words. Got it? Okay, moving on, last thing you will attempt is question number 1 and question number 2. So this you will get question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is your part A. How many marks? 40 marks. Then question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13. Again of 40 marks. This can vary. I am giving you like this. This could be a case. There could be a case where short questions are only 3, maybe 3, so 6 mark. Or this number of question could be less over here, so again 6 mark. But definitely this will not change. 2 questions, long answer type question. So you in total long answer type question means if you are writing a 120 full, so you have to write only 480 words. That's the longest thing in the paper. Apart from that, everything is less. 40 marks, so you are just writing MCQs. So there is no issue in time management. Where you will face a challenge is कि अगर आपने पेपर सही तरीके से शुरू नहीं किया, जैसे मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो में बताया था आप लोगों को कि क्या करना है, सिंपल सा लॉजिक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 के लिए अगर नहीं बनता है तो पेज छोड़, do it in the last, but don't change the chronology. It has a negative impact on your the checkers or the evaluators mental setup. So we are actually in some flow कि हमें ऐसे चेक करना होता है, but if something like this happens, जो कि अभी हुआ प्री बोर्ड में, so this doesn't look good. Okay, so that's it. If you have any doubts, okay, you can contact me. There is a link in the description. You can email me, WhatsApp me, or follow me on Instagram. And good day to you.